Okay, we summarize what we have learned before in resistance. So in resistance, you can use Ohm's law. Okay, first, how to calculate current. Current I is equal to Q over T. Okay, charge over time. If you want to find resistance, also you can use Ohm's law. V equal to IR, V voltage, I current, R resistance. Or if you have resistivity, R is equal to rho L over A, resistance, resistivity, length and area. In a combination of resistance, you can use this parallel and series equation. If in parallel, 1 over. If in series, just add all, but different voltage and current flows. Okay. Okay. Now we move to example 1. Calculate the diameter of 2 cm length of tungsten filament in a small light bulb if its resistance is 0.05 ohm given resistivity. Diameter, so D is equal to 2R. Wire, this is diameter, so diameter is equal to 2R. 2R is equal to diameter. Radius, 2 radius is equal to diameter of 2 cm length. So here will be L. Resistance is R. So what equation you want to use to find diameter? Okay, diameter we know as 2R. So you have R, length, resistivity. So the easiest equation is R is equal to rho L over A. But area of the circle is equal to pi r squared. Please remember this one. Area of the circle is pi r squared. So r 0.05 is equal to rho 5.6 times 10 negative 8. Length, okay, length you have to convert into meter. 2 divided by 100, 0.02 over pi r squared. Pi, you just press pi in the calculator, or you can use 22 over 7 or 3.142. Okay, so you find R is equal to how much? Okay, wait, I find the R first. R is equal to 0.05 times pi 5.6 times 10 negative 8 times 0.02 divide answer, square root answer. .44 times 10 to power f of negative 5. But is it the real answer? No, it's not the real answer because you are asked for diameter. So diameter is equal to 2R. So diameter is equal to 2 times 8.44 times 10 to the power of negative 5. So diameter is equal to 1.69 times 10 to the power of negative 4 meter. Okay, that's how you find diameter of the tungsten filament. Okay, if you see the tungsten filament, if you stretch it up, there will be a cylinder, the very thin cylinder. Okay. Okay, now we move to the second example. A potential difference of 12 volts is found to produce a current of 0.4 ampere. So here will be V or delta V. Produce a current of 0.4. Here will be I. Length of the wire, uniform radius. This one should be converted into meter. What is the resistance of the wire? It's too simple. How to find resistance? V is equal to IR. Use the easiest question. Okay, you are given VI, you just use this one to find resistance R. So V is 12, current is 0.4, R you don't know, so R is equal to 30 ohm. Okay, B, the resistivity of the wire. So resistivity R is equal to rho L over A. Resistance is 30. Rho you don't know. Length of the wire is 3.2. Area is pi R squared. R is radius 0.4 centimeter. Convert to meter. 4 times 10 negative 3 squared, because R squared. Area is equal to pi R squared. Okay, so pi R squared. So answer for rho is equal to square times pi times 30 over 3.2. 4.71 times 10 negative 4. Resistivity of the wire. The unit is this one, meter. Wait, ohm, meter, meter squared. So ohm meter unit. So this is the answer for resistivity of the wire. Okay, it depends on the information given. If you are given VI to find resistance, you just use this equation. To find resistivity, you already have resistance here, so you are given length and radius, so area is pi R squared, so just substitute. Okay, example 3. A wire 50 meter long and 2 millimeter in diameter. So long is length, 2 millimeter is diameter. So the radius is equal to 1 millimeter. So convert this one into meter. 1 times 10 negative 3 meter. Connected to the source with potential difference of 9.11 volts. This is the voltage. The current is 36, so I. Identify the metal out of which wire is made in table 1. Okay, you are given resistivity. So what you have to find now? Of course, resistivity, right? So you are given V, I, L, and R. So first find resistance. So V is equal to IR. So V 9.11. Current is 36. R you don't know, so R is equal to 9.11 divided 36, 0.25 ohm. Okay, and then how to find resistivity? Resistivity is R is equal to rho L over A. So find resistivity. R just now is 0.25 is equal to rho. Length is 50 over pi. R is 1 times 10 negative 3 squared. So rho is equal to 1 times 10 negative 3 squared times pi times 0.25 divided by 50. So answer 1.57 times 10 negative 8 ohm meter. So which one is similar to this answer? 1.57 times 10 negative 8. All 10 negative 8, 1.57. So the first one here is correct, right? So it's not correct. It's approximately to this value, right? So please conclude the answer is silver. After you calculate all the calculation here, all the steps here, please conclude silver, because this is the answer. Identify the metal out of which the wire is made. So wire is made with silver material. Okay. Okay, now we move to the next example in the next video. Thank you very much.